Good morning, Lauren Witz-Grieber, Witz Real Estate. Supply and demand. That is what's going to make this market change. So a couple of months ago, I did a video about what some very respected people in the real estate community thought was going to happen for 2021. So far, they've been pretty spot on. I actually went and watched it just a few minutes ago. But they've been pretty spot on. We still have low inventory. The interest rates crept to 3%. We still have strong buyer demand. And the negative one on that was that what's going to happen at the end with the forbearances when they come due. But let's be real. So as coronavirus starts to settle down, will we see more sellers come on the market? You would think so. As more sellers come on the market, will we continue to see this staggering price appreciation? Maybe. We have not had a buyer's market in 15 years now. We have been an unbalanced market for so many years. We have cycles. There was one in like 92 where the market dumped by about 10%. There was the one in 2006 and 7 where the market dumped some places by 30%. So we are 15 years out, way beyond. At some point, there's going to be a correction. Whether it's going to be a 10% correction, a 15% correction, 20%, 5% is going to depend upon how much more these prices continue to escalate. We are looking at pricing from last year to the end of last year to the middle of March, 10, 15, almost 20% higher than where they were pre-pandemic. That's a lot. So buyers are continuing to buy because of the interest rates, but again, as soon as that supply gets up here, the demand will not quite match up because they'll probably have already bought. If interest rates creep up, that demand's going to go down. So it's supply and demand. I had read something on one of my SCV groups in my Facebook. And one of the lenders was saying something that we're not going to have a crash like we did because there's not going to be foreclosures, there's not going to be this. And I'm like, I don't know, man. If we start seeing some buyer's remorse when we have a little correction, we may see people that maybe didn't put a lot down. Maybe they're going to say, forget this nonsense, and maybe they're going to walk away. I don't have a crystal ball, but all I'm saying is if you're in for the long haul, if you can take that punch in the gut, if you can take that knife in the heart, if the market changes after you bought, do it. Hang in there. Killer interest rate, never going to change. Hang in there. But if you're thinking of buying now and moving again in a couple of years, I wouldn't do it. If you have questions and want my opinion without a crystal ball on where we're expecting real estate to continue to go, Lauren@keepyourwits.com. You can always text me. You can call me, 661-313-5470. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day and keep your wits about you when buying or selling your home.